Good morning, students. So yesterday we discussed the problems of exercise 5.1 up to 6. Okay. So today I am going to solve the problems. So today I am going to solve the next problems. So that is the 7th, 8th, and 9th students. So first one, see here, that is the 7th one. What the contains all of you see here. Can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute angle? Second one is obtuse angle, and third one is right angle. See, what is the meaning of this question, students? All of you see here. So here, what they are asking here, if the sum of two angles, is it supplementary when both the angles they are acute? In the second, if both the angles if they are obtuse, and in the third question they are asking if both the angles if they are right angle. See here, students. So first one here I am going to make a clarify for you. First one, what is the meaning of before going to this, explain this one, what is the meaning of supplementary angle, students? If the sum of two angles is 180 degree, so both of them angles we call them as a supplementary angles. Okay, so here acute angle mean what? A angle which is less than 90 degree. See, if I take a 60 degree here, so it is the acute angle. If I add both 60 60, so this is also acute angle, this is also acute angle. So after adding, how much we get here? 120 degree. Whether this 120 degree it is a supplementary angle here? No, it means acute angle, the sum of two acute angle, they never form as supplementary angle, students. Understood this one, students? Yes, let me write that sentence here. No, because sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree. So as I explained before, here I took two acute angles, and the sum of both these, it is less than 180 degree. It is less than 180 degree, students. So therefore, using two acute angles, it is not possible for us to form a supplementary angle. Understood, students? And see the next one. Using two obtuse angle. See, obtuse means angle which is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. See, if I take a angle as a 110 degree, so if I take both as a 110 degree, so both these are obtuse angle. How much comes sum here? 220 comes. It means here the sum it is more than that of 180 degree. So here also it is not possible for us to form a supplementary angles using two obtuse angles, friends. Understood this one? No, because sum of two obtuse angles is more than 180 degree. Now see the third one, right angle. Right angle means angle which is exactly 90 degree. Okay, so 19 into how much comes? It is 180 degree comes, students, here. So it means it is possible for us. Okay, yes, because the sum of two right angle, the sum of two right angles is 180 degree. So using two right angles, it is possible for us to form a supplementary angle, students. Understood? So this is the solution for the 7th one. Next, see the 8th one, students, all of you here. An angle is greater than 45 degree. Is its complementary angle greater than 45 degree, or equal to 45 degree, or less than 45 degree? See, students, here. So complementary angles means what, students? The sum of two angles should be how much here? 90 degree. So here what they are asking here, one angle is 45 degrees. It is a greater than 45 degree. Understood? in this question, what they given us, one angle is more than 45 degree, and what they asking question for us here, another angle, whether it is greater than 45 degree, less than 45, or equal to 45 degree. So dear students, it is a logically you think, so this question is very easy. See, to become a the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then we call them as a complementary angles. So here one angle is more than 45 degrees here. They already given here, one angle is greater than 45 degree. So if I take a 50 degree, for example, if I take a 50 degree, so if this 50 degree it is greater than 45 degree, students, so this 50 it is greater than that of 45 degree na here. So what comes another angle here, it comes 40 degree. Understood? So this 40 degree, whether it is greater than 45 or equal to 45 or less than 45, students, you tell this one, it is nothing but less than 45. So this is the only we have to understand in this question, students, that much only. Understood? So now let me solve this one, students. Solution. Let the complementary angles be x and y. Here I took two angles, two complementary angles as x and y. That is x plus y is equal to 90 degree. So why I took here 90 degree? Because complementary angles means sum of two angles is how much? It is a 90 degree. Okay. Now what I am going to do here? So what they given? That just means, students, what they given here? Given that what they given here? X is greater than 45. They given in the problem. Okay. X means one angle. Here I took two angles, na? So in that two angles I took one angle as a x. Okay, if you're not interested to take a x, you may take y here. Nothing will happen. Okay, so in this x and y I took one angle as x, and this x it is a 45 degree. It is a greater than 45 degree. It is a greater than 45 degree. Understood? So this is symbol of greater than. It is a given in the problem. Next what I am going to do here, I am adding y in both this side. Okay, adding y both sides. That is, so when I add y here, it becomes x plus y. So x is as it is, and here I added plus y, and write this greater than as it is. 45 degree also write as it is, and here I am going to add y. I added y both sides, students, here also and here also. Understood this step? And next what happens here? See, next see, students, here put a equal sign here, equal sign. Next, see, x plus y means how much it is, students? So x plus y means how much it is? X plus y means how much it is? 90 degree, na, students? So 90 degree. So x plus y means what it is? 90 degree. Both are same here. Okay, and this greater sign right as it is, 45 degree plus y. Okay, now shift this 45 along that here, it becomes what? Minus. Okay, 90 degree minus 45 degree, and remove this equal sign, students, here. Okay, and greater than y. So now how much comes, students, here? The sum becomes 45 degree greater than y. Understood, friends? So what is the meaning of this step? All of you, whether you understand this step, students, here 45 degree, it is more than that or greater than that of y. It means what is the meaning of this? So here 45 is greater than that of y. It means y is less than that of 45, students. Here 45 degree is more than that of y. It means here y becomes less, na, students? That much only here. Okay, so therefore here y is less than 45 degree. Y is less than 45 degree. Okay, students. So therefore, so it means, so thus, so it means another angle. What is the meaning of this? Another angle, it is a less than that of 45 degrees, students, here. Thus, its complementary angle is less than 45 degrees, students. So this is a solution for the 8th one, students. See that 9th problem, students, all of you here. In the adjoining figure, is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Is angle AOC adjacent to angle AOE? Do angle COE and angle UOD form a linear pair? Are BOD and DOA supplementary? Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? See, students, here. See this figure. What is the first question they are asking for us here? Is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? So what is the meaning of adjacent? If two angles if they have common vertex and common arm. So which two angles, if the two angles, if they have common arm and common vertex, so both of the angles, we call them as a adjacent angles. So here this angle 1, so this is angle 1 and this is angle 2 here. So both these angles have common arm and common vertex. So it means both these are the adjacent angles. Yes. Yes. Angle 1. Yes, angle 1 and angle 2. Both these are adjacent angles. Both these are adjacent angles. Okay, students. The second one. Is AOC adjacent to AOE? See here. AOC, angle AOC, this angle AOC and angle AOE, see here, angle AOC and angle AOE, whether both these angles, whether these are adjacent angles. See, to become adjacent angles, what is the condition? Common arm and common vertex. But angle AOC and angle AOE, so both these have common vertex, but both these angles, they not have a common arm here. So therefore both these are not adjacent angles. No, both these angles not adjacent angles. Okay, students. Next, third one. Do COE and EOD form a linear pair? See here, COE and EOD. COE and EOD. Whether both these angle form a linear pair, they are asking for us here. See, COE, EOD. Yes, both these angles form a linear pair. So linear pair means what? Two adjacent supplementary angles. See, two adjacent supplementary angles are called linear pair here. See, both these are adjacent angles, but both these are not a linear pair. To become a linear pair, both the angles should be adjacent and both the angles should be supplementary here, students. So it means here both this COE and EOD, both these are linear pair, because both these angles are adjacent and both these angles are the supplementary. Yes, both these angles form a linear pair. Next, fourth one, students. Are BOD and DOE supplementary? What asking here? Are BOD and DOA, both these are supplementary? Yes, both these angles. See, students, this BOE BOD and DOA, both these are supplementary angles, because both these angles are they are the adjacent and they have a common. Both these angles they have both these angles they are adjacent and both these angles they are supplementary. Yes, both these angles are supplementary angles. Just last one, students. Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Is angle 1 vertically opposite to angle 4? Yes. So vertical opposite angles are here 1 and 4, and for 5 angle COB. Yes. See, vertical opposite angles means what? When two lines they intersect each other here, both these we call them as a vertical opposite angles, and both these angles we call them as a vertical opposite angle, students. Okay, and here angle 1 and angle 4, both these are vertical angle, because here two lines they intersect here. Okay, like this. Okay, yes, angle 1 and angle 4, both these are vertically opposite angles. So these are the solution for the 9th problem, students. I hope all of you understood all these problems, and tomorrow I'm going to solve the new problems. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.